Karunakara Surindra Guruvarya Padambujam Navani-Tanatottamsam Gurupankti Shriyannumaha. Tirupavai, a treasure house of threes. The seventh Pasuram. We have been looking at three interesting aspects from each Pasuram of the Tirupavai till now. Andal wants to perform the Margari Vratam in order to attain service at the lotus feet of the Lord. And this she wants to perform along with her friends. Finding that some of her friends have not reached the place from where they had to start the Vratam, Andal very compassionately goes to call all those friends who have not reached yet. In this process, she reaches the house of this friend who is being called out in the seventh Pasuram. In this Pasuram, Andal addresses this friend by three different names. What are these three names? Andal first calls out to this friend as Pei Penne. Pei Penne refers to the obsessed one. It seems this girl was obsessed with the thoughts of Lord Krishna, just the way Rishi Bharadwaja was obsessed with the learning of the Vedas. It is said that Rishi Bharadwaja was granted 300 years of age and he spent all his lifetime in learning the Vedas alone. So was this girl who was obsessed with the thought of Krishna, that how much ever time she was allotted alone, she would spend her thoughts with Krishna and Krishna alone. The second word or name by which this friend is addressed is Nayaga Penpillai. This refers to a leader being called out. Nayakan is a leader and Nayaga Penpillai is a lady leader. Andal addresses this girl as a leader of their clan. Why so? This is because this girl is extremely knowledgeable, it seems. What does she know? This girl knows that Lord Krishna is none other than Narayana himself. Narayanan Murti Keshavan, she says. It is none other than Lord Narayana who is omnipresent, who has taken the decision to come down in a form called Krishna so that he becomes easily accessible to one and all. This supreme truth was known by this girl and this made her a leader of their clan. So Andal proudly calls out to her as Nayaga Penpillai. The third name by which Andal calls this girl is Tesamudayai, the illuminous one. It seems there's a special radiance on the face of this friend because of the knowledge that she possesses. And that radiance is drawing these girls towards her. She is such a person that any word that she says would be obeyed by the one whom the word is said to without a word of protest. Such was her power of radiance. So she is called as Tesamudayai. Thus, this Pasuram tells us about three Sambodhanas or three names by which Andal calls out her friend. That is Peipenne, Nayaga Penpillai and Tesamudayai. Let us see what is the three that's associated with the next Pasuram tomorrow. Andal Tiruvadigalé Sharanam.